Hey, Philippe, you look deeply absorbed in those charts. What's got you so focused?
Yes, indeed, I am. I'm having a look at our GAT2 ETF. We're rolling it out in the Asia-Pacific region.
Sounds like an encyclopedia. What would you say is the main highlight?
Well, there are many highlights to choose from, but if I were to pick one, I think visualizing the $14 trillion ETF AUM globally and geographically is one of the key highlights. Every single year for the last 15 consecutive years, the ETF industry has seen net flows, and last year was the best year ever. As a general rule of thumb, every single 5-year period, we've seen the ETF assets under management globally double in size.
Wow, doubling every 5 years? What's been driving that growth?
Well, this is a great question. In my opinion, there are two big engines of growth. First one is Asia Pacific. While in the rest of the world, the AUM doubles once every 5 years, in our region, it doubles once every 3 years. And that's driven primarily by 3 markets, China, Taiwan, and Australia. But that's not the biggest engine. In my opinion, there's a bigger engine than Asia Pacific, and it's active ETFs. What you can see is that since 2019, there's been more active ETFs launched than passive ETFs in the US. 50% of all ETFs in the US are active. I believe the future is active in ETF.
That's impressive. What other insight does the guide offer?
Well, the guide provides a combination of insights. First and foremost, investor education about the fundamentals of ETF. Secondly, best trading practices about ETF liquidity. And third, insights into the key trends driving the ETF industry globally. Please join us and download the Guide to ETFs.